We start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see in my last analysis, price was here. We mentioned if the price move, maybe we can look for buy. As you can see, the price broke this one, and now we want to see whether this one can give us a buy setup. Sorry, maybe this one can give us a buy setup or not, because we are looking for this correction, or this one can be a deeper correction. Okay, now in this case, we move to daily chart. We want to see how we can trade this on higher time frame. As you can see, we have nothing space on daily chart, just the way it's moving within this correction, and we want to see whether still we can even we explain still we can expect the price to tag this one before it's reverse. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it if we move to 4 hour chart. All right, based on 4 hour chart, we can see the way it's moving is really corrective but the downward. Okay, now we want to see whether this one can continue or not, or we can expect this one to give us one up move at least. All right, by the way, if we want to look for buy, we should be aware that this one may tend to a channel the way it's moving. Okay, now if we move to 1 hour chart, we want to see whether we can get any trade. Okay, as we can see, based on 1 hour chart, if we refer to the indicators, we have nothing to talk. All right, and as well here. Okay, now the thing is, we want to see whether this one can give us a buy. If we get any buy from this, I mean, we just wait for a few more hours. We see if it give us a deeper correction, any buy, we take it. And our expect is the price come to this high. Then from there, we see whether there is a continuation or not. But if we get this buy, any buy from here, if we see the what we expect the price sharp move a bit sharp. If it is not moving, I mean the way it's moving is not sharp, we don't stay with the trade, we take out, because this one can be a corrective for one more drop, corrective for one more drop. This one can turn to a channel. Okay, by the way, if we want to look for buy right now, the only way is we wait for this correction, we see whether we can get any buy, and if we get what we expect the price to move quite sharp with the stop loss below this. All right, and if we move to 15 minute, we have nothing to talk based on 15 minute. If it give us one more drop, it can give us a better trade, we can give us a better confirmation to look for buy. But the way it's forming is not really good correction for buy. But as I mentioned, if we get any buy setup, we take it. If it's not moving, we just take out the trade, we don't stay with the trade. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart, and if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.